Now I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth had passed away, and there was no more sea. Then I, John, saw the holy city, New Jerusalem, coming down out of heaven from God, prepared as a bride adorned for her husband. And I heard a loud voice from heaven saying, Behold, the tabernacle of God is with men, and he will dwell with them, and they shall be his people. God himself will be with them, and be their God.
Now I saw earth and heaven, holy old had passed away, and been replaced by them. Then I, John, was to see the holy city prepared as a bride for the Prince of Peace. New Jerusalem, coming from God out of heaven, prepared as a bride adorned for her husband. New Jerusalem, New Jerusalem. And I heard a loud voice coming from heaven, saying, Behold, the tabernacle of God is within, and they shall be his people, and he will dwell with them. Yes, God himself will be their God and be with them. New Jerusalem. Then I, John, was to see the holy city prepared as a bride for the